Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up iRobot Roomba i7 for the first time. And to do this, first thing is to download iRobot app on your smartphone, and I have it right here. You can find it on the Google Play Store or probably on the App Store, but I can confirm this. And next is to get all of the things for the configuration, and you have a robot right here. Then we have a charging station right here, and it's connected to the power source. You can see it by looking at the LED lamp right here. It's in the red, so that means we have a power. Now open the app on your smartphone. And we want to go back. Here select the product and go for a vacuum and mop combo. Select Roomba Combo I series. And then let's get started. Here you will need, as I mentioned, charging station, your robot, and Wi-Fi network connection. Place your charging station somewhere safe, as it's shown in this animation right there. And click on continue. Here we want to connect to the Wi-Fi network. Make sure it's 2.4 band and not the 5G. Enter the password. And then we want to connect the robot to charging station, like this, and then click and hold the home button and spot button for entire 2 seconds. You will hear this sound, and that means we can move to the next step. And here we have it. Our robot is successfully connected to the app, and we can continue. Now you can name your robot however you like. If you have multiple of them, it's very convenient, and we can continue. Here's the introduction. You can read through it if you like. I'm gonna skip it. And our app is ready. You can customize or configure your robot however you like. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.